Good morning everyone, I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Amazon Prime Video introduces ads and optional ad-free experience, Microsoft launches dedicated Copilot app for Android, WhatsApp testing dark mode and sidebar redesign for web users, caution against sharing personal information with AI chatbots, Wipro files legal complaint against former SVP Mohammed Haq, Google plans to lay off up to 30,000 employees for AI integration, OnePlus 9 series receives stable Oxygen OS 14 build. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Amazon Prime Video to display ads for users in the US, UK, Germany and Canada from 29 January 2024. Users can opt for an ad-free experience by paying an additional $2.99. Ads will be limited to support Amazon's investment in creating quality content. Initially in select countries, ads expected to extend to more countries including Australia, Italy, Spain, etc. No action required from users and no change in the current price of Prime membership. In the US, ad-free experience remain unchanged for current Prime members but will cost almost $18 monthly for new users. Microsoft launches a dedicated app for its generative AI-powered service Copilot available on Android smartphones. Copilot, previously Bing Chat, is powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. Users can download the dedicated Copilot app from the Google Play Store. Copilot replies to queries, generates images for tasks like proofreading, diet planning, travel itinerary creation, and high-quality image generation. Compatible with users familiar with the ChatGPT app by OpenAI but now allows image creation unlike the free version of ChatGPT. The app is currently available only on Android with no information on an iOS launch. WhatsApp reportedly testing a new dark mode color scheme and redesigned sidebar for web users. Transition from #111B20 to #12181C for a visually pleasing interface and reduced eye strain. Update aligns with recent Android app changes, including the bottom bar and a new color scheme in dark mode. No clear information on when users can expect the update to be available for all users. Not a dark mode addition, as dark mode already exists on the web and in the app. Change aims to enhance visual appeal and cater to users' desire for a redesigned experience. Oxford professor Mike Wooldridge warns against sharing personal information with AI chatbots, including ChatGPT. Wooldridge deems sharing personal information with AI chatbots extremely unwise. AI chatbots may provide unbalanced responses and tell you what you want to hear. Personal information fed into chatbots may be used to train future versions of AI models. OpenAI adds an option in ChatGPT to turn off chat history, preventing user chats from being used to train AI models. Zerodha CEO Nitin Kamath warns of significant risk associated with AI and deepfakes, especially in financial institutions. Wipro files a legal complaint against former SVP Mohammed Haq, who joined competitor Cognizant. Dispute centers on alleged breaches of confidentiality and non-compete clauses in Haq's contract with Wipro. Wipro claims Haq may use confidential client information to gain an unfair advantage and harm Wipro's business. Haq resigned before the expiration of his non-compete clause, originally set until 1st August 2023. Wipro claims Haq failed to repay remuneration received during his last year of employment and the value of equity award. Situation aggravated by high-level exit at Wipro amid concern about declining margins and a challenging fiscal outlook in the IT sector. Next up, we have Google plans to lay off up to 30,000 employees as it integrates AI to replace human roles in its operations. Restructuring primarily targets the ad sales department to leverage AI for operational benefits. Google is testing AI in customer support, impacting the human side of its operations. Google handed out pink slips earlier, laying off around 12,000 people, impacting various businesses. Ad expected to play a significant role in the changing revenue stream of digital advertising. Need to churn staff to integrate AI likely to face scrutiny considering the impact on employees. At last, OnePlus 9 series phones in India receive stable Oxygen OS 14 build based on Android 14. The update is available to users who signed up for closed and open beta versions before the stable release. New features include a file dock, new ringtones, fluid cloud, improved shelf experience, and system stability updates. Update brings smart efficiency, cross-device connectivity, security and privacy, and performance optimization. Ecomorphic design upgrades with a natural, gentle, and clearer color style for a more comfortable color experience. Google Maps introduces features to help users pay less for petrol and adds a carbon tracking AOD for carbon emissions visualization. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.